welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you some in-store couponing at Dollar General for the deals of January 13th through January 19th. And we do have a 5 off 25 coupon for this Saturday on the 19th, which I'm so excited for because my stockpile is getting so low. I definitely need some laundry and paper products and just a little bit of everything. Also, this is my current state because Leo refuses to sleep now. Cute. So I'm gonna go in there and do some couponing and show you my favorite deals for the week. As always, I will have my breakdown listed in the description box down below with a couple of my favorite breakdowns for this week. There are a lot of instant savings deals and lots of digital coupons that you can stack with other coupons. So watch this video and don't forget to check out the link down below for the breakdowns. So let's get into it. So the Scott paper towels, the 6 equals 9 rolls, are on sale for $4.95 this week, and there's a $1 off 1 digital coupon making that $3.95. But there's also a $2 off 2 digital coupon as well, so you can use those both in one transaction. So it works for the Scott Comfort Plus big roll tissue as well for the same price. The Charmin Essential Rolls are on sale for $4.95, and there is a $1 off 1 digital coupon making those $3.95. There is a separate digital coupon for these Bounty Essentials 6 equals 8 rolls, and look at that cute little penguin. And there is a $1 off 1 making that $3.95. Now this is the wrong package. It's actually supposed to say 6 equals $1 roll, but they're $5 minus a $1.25 coupon making that $3.75. The Always Discreet liners, the 24 count, are priced at $3, and there's a $2 off 1 digital coupon just making that $1. And the Febreze has a deal where you spend $12, you can save $2 instantly at the register. So if you get 2 of these Febreze refills at $5, there's a $5 off 2 digital coupon. That would make your total $10. And then you can get 1 of these Febreze Air products for $3, and that would make your total $13. So you'd subtract the $2 from the instant savings, the $5 from the 5 off 2 coupon, and a $1 off 1 for the Febreze Air. Now these Airwork oil warmers are out because they were such a great deal last week, but they look like this, and there's a free coupon on the app just making those free. And this isn't anything crazy, but I just wanted to let you know that they do sell Huggies here for $8.50, and there's a $2 off 1 coupon making those $6.50. I had to get some of those tonight. I always share this deal because I know people need diapers sometimes. So sometimes if you look around at this DG Baby brand, you'll find that there's a $1 off 1 Peely coupon. So off of $5.50, it will make them $4.50. So you could just look around and peel off the sticker and hand that to the cashier, and they could scan that, and it always works for me. So that is what I found out a couple weeks ago, actually. And this is a Dollar General brand. It's comparable to Dove, I assume, but it's $3.50, and there was a $1 off 1 digital coupon making that $2.50. So it includes the baby lotion and the baby wash. So there's a great Suave deal this week. There's a coupon on the app for save $2 when you spend $6 in Suave products. So you're gonna get 2 of these Suave Professionals at $3 each, and then you can use the 2 off 6 digital coupon. And there's also a $1 off 1 paper coupon that came in the 1/6 Retail Me Not. That would make your total $2 or $1 each. So there is a Garnier deal as well, where if you spend $10 in the Garnier or L'Oreal products, you can save $3 instantly. And there are coupons for L'Oreal Paris and Garnier Hoblens and Garnier Fructis that came in the 1/6 Retail Me Not. So it's kind of an extensive breakdown, so just check down below in the description box for the instant savings breakdown that you can of course pair this with any 5 off 25 as long as your total before coupons is at least $3 more than $25, like I talked about in my previous Dollar General video. And then for the big razors, the Silky Touch, these are priced at $3.35 at my store. So there's a $3 off 1 digital coupon, just making those 35 cents. But if you want to be completely free, you could get these Big Sensitive, the 10 count for $2.95, and it'll just make those free. There's also a Bic coupon for $4 off 1 on my app. That would make these bad boys just $2. It comes with the Bic Soleil and this Bic Soleil Bella, the same price, and it also includes the Bic Flex 3 and the Bic hybrid 4, and they're all priced at $6, so to make those $2 out of pocket. And this Excedrin deal, they are the 24 count, but they look like this. They are priced at $3.85 minus a $1.50 coupon, just to make them $2.35. And this Aleve back and muscle pain, the 24 count, are priced at $4.25, and there's a 3 off 10 digital coupon for Bear products. So if you get one of these and then one of these Flintstone gummies, the 70 count, you could do the 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Flintstones, the 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Aleve, minus the 2 off 10 for the Bear products. It would make them $2.15 for both of those, or $1 and okay, so like $1.07 each. So that was it for this video. I forgot to film an outro in my car, so I'm doing it in my living room as I'm editing this. So I did not do any in-store deals because I went really late because my day was so busy. I actually vlogged that day, and that vlog is going to be up either tomorrow or Friday. So it was just a really crazy day, and I really do apologize, guys. I'm sorry. I'm usually more organized, but like I have just been so just wacky this week. It's snowing here in Missouri. Like, it snowed. We've been snowed out for 4 or 5 days, and there's another snowstorm coming. So I've just been kind of stuck inside, not been able to do anything, just kind of like really anxious and stressed out. So I'm sorry. You guys are not to blame for that. But I do apologize. Next week I'll be a lot more organized, and I really just wanted to bring you the deals because there are some amazing deals this week. I'm definitely doing the third breakdown that I listed in my printable breakdown. There are a couple paper coupons that I listed in there from the 1/6 Retail Me Not, I believe. I don't normally use a lot of paper coupons on here because I know I try to make my channel for beginners, but that's okay. You know, it's not like a killer deal, like you have to have all these paper coupons to do, but of course you can get you can still get some great deals using the app. So that was it for my video. I have some cool breakdowns listed down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are killing the deals in 2019 and stock up on some paper products. There are some amazing deals. You better get at least 1 toilet paper and 1 paper towel, and you will be good for a couple weeks, depending on how many booties you got in your house. Ew, I can't believe I just said that. That's it for you guys. I can't even talk. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!